The new blue button feature located on the lead's homepage allows the lead to share their prescription drugs, pharmacies, and providers directly with their trusted advisor. For the feature to work, the client needs to be on Medicare and have Medicare prescription claims. To begin the process, the agent navigates to the lead's homepage and clicks on the plus sign. This will generate an email request to the client for them to connect to their medicare.gov account and to then share their information directly with their trusted advisor. That information will land into the lead's medicine cabinet, and the agent can continue the process of quoting the client. Let's send the email. Once the email is sent, the agent can view the history log, and the blue email icon shows that the email has been sent. This is the email your client will receive. The client will simply click on the Get Started link. After following the link, the client can log in to medicare.gov using their medicare.gov username and password. If they do not have an account, they can create one. Once the lead has registered their medicare.gov account, the blue email icon will change to a yellow icon, and the history will show that your lead is registered for medicare.gov. Upon registering at medicare.gov, your client will need to go to their account in the top right-hand corner, go down to data sharing, and to share their data with their trusted advisor. The green check mark shows that my client is sharing data. I now have permission to see his Medicare prescription drug claims, pharmacies, and providers. And to do that, I go to the MA and PDP quote. Now that the client is sharing their blue button data directly into their own medicine cabinet, you will notice their prescription drug list, their pharmacies, and their providers. In order to run the quote, you will need to discuss with your client which medications they would like to quote and check the box next to those medications. Check the box next to the pharmacy, and if there are providers, click Verify on the provider, select the provider, and select the provider's location. Once you're done with that process, you're ready to get the quote. This concludes our demo of the new Medicare Blue Button feature. We hope you enjoyed the tool.